Okay, so it's time to open the site.
More? More than 100? You think we could go for 100? We can't go back or I'm not gonna go home. This is horrible! Hello everyone. How are you?
Okay, do you remember that successful giveaway that we had? Shopee Philippines?
Yes, that's why you see this confidence in my eyeballs. Yes, that's where you see it.
This time, guess who's coming knocking at the Wishtrend TV's door?
I know what it is though. I can't act. I already heard from the staff members. It's I'm from!
Yes, and it's the Amazon. This time, we will be working out a giveaway negotiation targeting Amazon US with the managers of which I'm from brand.
Ooh, I like that. I mean, I'm from and I go way back. I think it's been about 8 years that we've had a relationship, right? I'm from. So this is gonna be, I think, an easy one for our Wishtrenders. So they have the I'm from rice mask. They have the whole rice line. And right now we have rice, mugwort, honey, ginseng, vitamin, beet, fig, and pear. Ooh, I love that. Look at the aesthetics.
Oh, have you ever known that I'm from Rice Toner has swooped the #2 spot in Amazon toner category?
Really? The whole toner category for Amazon?
Yes.
Let's see why it is #2, why people like it so much. Dang, this is like an essay. I think people really loved this one. Look at the rankings. That's very interesting because when I first think about like I'm from, rice toner, I'm definitely more of like, oh, it's very moisturizing and nourishing, but it has helped. They said that it's made their skin less oily, which I think is because the product itself helps to balance out the oil and moisture level of the skin, which is a really good tip to think in mind. Let's read the 4-star one just in case. I really like how it made my skin feel hydrated and balanced. It's great to layer with other toners and products. Yes, I totally agree. I think we have to add this one, right? This is like a must.
There's something is really weird, right?
Oh, well, is it the cream? Oh my gosh, are you serious? This is the fake one?
We actually ordered one from Amazon US.
Yeah.
So we have it right now.
The fake one?
Yeah.
Oh, can I see it? Look at the font. Oh my gosh, you guys. Can I, let me show you the real one right here. No way. Oh no, right from the get-go, even the ingredient list is not the same. Wow, this is like, what? What? Oh my goodness. I mean, clearly this is totally different, you guys. But this sucks because some of us might not know. I've actually loved this toner and used it for years and years, but what if you've never seen it before? It might look the same, I think scent is different. Oh, it doesn't even come out. Oh my goodness! You guys! This is horrible container. This is horrible. Imagine if a Wishtrender had to go through this. Babies, I got you, okay? I'm gonna try my best to make sure that you don't have to go through what I went through right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you I think my recommendations. Rice serum is really good because, as you guys know, rice is an ingredient that's been used for such a long period of time, especially in Korean beauty. And for brightening skin and like gentle exfoliation, rice serum is really good too. Very light texture. My favorite is all-time the mugwort. The mugwort line is the best, especially if you have skin with sensitivity, if you have a little bit of acne concerns, this is the best. I love this one. I love the mugwort mask. It does have a very earthy kind of green kind of scent. It does smell like mugwort, like Korean or Oriental medicine. So some people might be kind of shocked by the scent because it is a bit strong, but there's nothing that hits like this, especially for a calming mask. So this one I highly wanna add as a gift. 근데 it's so big. I wonder if the team's gonna say yes, but I'm gonna write it down. I love the essence. Sheet mask, do they sell it in one maybe or in a bulk? I'm not sure, but I'll just write box. I think if the product is less, it can be like 150 or 200. But if there's more products, because I'm from products does have, it is really good quality product, so it does have a price. I think maybe 100, but no less than 100, or I'm not gonna go home. 안녕하세요. Shane, you look so handsome today, and Aileen, you look so beautiful today.
You too. I love your hat. What is it? Oh, miniatures. Wow.
You should actually use that for this. Yeah, you're looking beautiful yourself too.
So, for our Wishtrenders, let's talk business. What can you give us? Come on, straightforward.
So recently I'm from Rice Toner, ranked #2 on the Amazon toner category. So we wanted to celebrate that, the being ranked 2, and also because of that, we are gonna be launching the Rice Toner Dio set.
Oh, that's perfect!
So we wanted to promote this Dio set and also the giveaway for our Wishtrenders.
Oh, I love that.
So we're thinking the extra discount rate for the Wishtrenders, and we are also thinking if Wishtrenders buy within the specific time period, we can give a product giveaway as well.
But don't you guys want to be the #1 toner on Amazon? Rice toner is #2. We have to get it up to #1, no? Let's do a giveaway and let's do 100 toners. Rice toners giveaway, and let's do an epic discount for the double, the exclusive package that you guys have, the duo set, right? What do you guys think? I think it'll be fantastic.
But the thing is, we want to promote the rice Dio set, not the rice toner itself. So how about we separate the benefits? So if people buy rice Dio set, we'll give extra discount rate plus the rice sunscreen for the first serve for
that's
the
fine.
people. And then how about we give out different product, not the rice toner.
Toner! Mugwort. I'm happy with mugwort.
Oh, you're happy with the mugwort essence?
I love the mugwort essence. This is my number go-to because I have acne-prone sensitive
because
skin.
we think everyone has their own favorite among I'm products, so it may not be rice toner or the mugwort essence. So how about if people add their
favorites and they get to choose?
If they add their favorite on Amazon shopping cart, and if they can prove it, the fact that they added their favorite on their shopping cart, and if they follow the Amazon official,
then we can talk about
if they follow the Amazon official store, right? Which is so easy, just one click. That's it. Maybe they could take a screenshot and maybe they could add it and upload it on our Google Sheet. So that's what they need to do anyways to fill it out.
If there's stock there, then I guess we'll give
anything they want.
Yeah, if the stock is available.
But Claire's gave us so much last time.
I know.
So I don't know what's going on with you guys making all these rules and making it really difficult.
As we said, our favorite rice toner bestseller is currently have position #2 best-selling toner on Amazon, right?
Yes.
200 plus 22. How about that?
Oh, that's the sexiest idea I've ever heard. Okay, I love that. 222. Then if they follow all the rules, then they can get one choice, any choice of their whatever they want, right? And they could get this one. I'm from Rice Cream. 222 Wishtrenders. That sounds pretty good. Is there anything else though?
How about this? We will give out not the full size, but the miniature version of the mugwort essence.
How big is that?
That's on your hat.
Show it to the camera.
That's on your hat.
What about these?
We don't have enough stock for that. So I think we gave out the maximum for the giveaway because it's pretty easy to do the giveaway. The number is really big. I don't think Claire's did
Yeah, first one only 100.
Only 100, right?
That's true, that's true.
But you know, we're doing this because we really wanna, we need Wishtrenders power to be ranked #1.
I'll do a PPL, a segmented video for you guys.
Oh, really?
On YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and YouTube Short. If you throw in one more product for 222 people.
One more product.
Whatever you guys want.
Then can we add the rice toner miniature? Because there's some time, like 2 or 3 weeks, you can send extra, you know, the inventory to the warehouse.
Yeah.
Within the time. So if you're okay with the rice toner miniature, adding that item, then because we really want your
the exchange of Eunice's
content.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it. Stamp. Pinky promise. People that didn't try it. People that didn't try it, they need to try it. Because once they try it, they will love it. 30 milliliters is big enough. They'll know that if it's...
Shane is not happy with it.
So are we gonna go with how much discount it is for the duo set?
Why don't we do this? It's from $74. We'll do a 30% off, right? So that which is this $51.8. However, it's got rice toner miniature, right?
Yeah.
For the Wishtrenders, and because we're gonna be exclusively launching it first, we're gonna get the rice toner amount deducted. So what about this?
But only for the limited time.
In total, that's 47%.
47%? That's
47%.
really good.
For Wishtrenders.
Yeah, for
For
Wishtrenders.
Wishtrenders. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
I hustled hard, okay? Only kick some ass today. I'm just blown away by the number 222. We have 222 winners. It's so epic. In the history of Wishtrend TV, it's the biggest giveaway. I'm so grateful for the team. And one more thing is, I just wanted to give a shout out, especially for their dual kit. I'm gonna be promoting it on my personal channel too. It's gonna be with a really good price. So for those of you that already love the product, I think y'all need to stock up. And yeah, last but not least, you guys, where do you want me to go next? So bye. Bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.